In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to connect NextGen leads to SalesPype so you can have your leads flow automatically into SalesPype, triggering a campaign. So the first thing that we're going to do in SalesPype is we're going to go ahead and build out that campaign that we want our NextGen leads to go into. So I'm going to start from scratch in this example. We'll go to New Campaign, and then you're going to go to Set Up New Campaign manually right here. Let's go ahead and give this a name. Now in this example, we'll say that this is NextGen Health Insurance Leads. Okay. And because this is a NextGen lead source, we're going to go down to this prospect source right here and click it. And then we're going to click the NextGen logo and hit Select Prospect Source. All right. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to build out our campaign. So whatever you want your messaging and your sequence to look like, you're going to go ahead and build that out. I'll just add one quick message just for this example. All right, obviously you want to get more creative with this. All right, so let's assume that we have our campaign built out the way that we like. What we're going to do now is we're going to go to Start Campaign, say yes. Okay, and now this part is extremely important. You're going to see this campaign email address right here. Now every campaign that you ever create in SalesPype is going to come with its own unique campaign email address. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy this email address, and now we need to go over to NextGen because we need to make sure that NextGen is sending it to this email address. So let's go in here, and I have a couple of different lead types set up in NextGen. Here is the health insurance lead source that I want to send over to SalesPype. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to this little pencil and click Edit Campaign. And let's scroll down here until we get to this lead delivery section. Now this is the area where you can tell NextGen where you would like to have your leads sent. Now I recommend that you continue having your leads sent to your main email address so you have all the leads info, but you're going to want to go ahead and add the unique campaign SalesPype email address as well so that those leads can make it into that campaign, triggering the automation. So once you've added your unique campaign email address here, you would hit Save Changes. And you should be good to go here. So now let me go ahead and go back into SalesPype. We have everything set up the way we need to right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the dashboard, and you will see our new campaign is right here. So any lead that is sent to that unique campaign email address will be sent into this campaign, triggering the automation. Now you can create as many campaigns as you want. So if you wanted to create another campaign for your life insurance leads, you can go right ahead and do it. Just make sure you're sending your life insurance leads to that campaign's unique email address. That is the key. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out, but as long as you follow the instructions in this video, you should be good to go. Take care.